Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you read in the titles, this is a no bullshit guide to trading psychology because this is something that just happened to me today and I wanted to make a video about it. You are probably gonna watch my video about my Forex phone challenge that I'm currently doing, and then you will notice that today in the morning session I was saying that I'm close to passing the challenge. That was up 7.90% to pass the challenge, but I ended up closing the day below 6%. I started the day with 6%, got up to 7.90%. I just did 0.10 to get to 8% to pass the evaluation phase. But at the end of the day, I closed below 6%. You wonder why? This is what most people don't tell you when it comes to trading and trading psychology, because sometimes it's not even your strategy. It's not even that your strategy is bad. It's just that your psychology get messed up. Your internal state, the trader in you, the gambler, it comes alive, and then you start being impulsive and irrational. So you start doing things that you wouldn't do when you have mindfulness, when you are focused, etc. So like I said, this is my daily ASR here. You can see that it's bullish. The day I closed with negative $67. I did an AM session. I also did a PM session. I trade 5-minute to 1-minute candles, and the total of the day put me below 53,000. Now here I said my psychology wasn't still today in terms of like stillness. My emotional state wasn't stable, and I was full of excitement early in the session. The reason was because I was so close to passing the challenge. I was excited. It was one kill, one shot, boom. I got like $50 to pass it. I'm like, this is a piece of cake. I'm gonna just kill it. I just need to take one more trade and that's it. I'm done, right? Then that turned against me. It turned against me because I just couldn't stop myself from pushing the button. While I was trading, I was recording my trade from that session, and you can see how it was shifting, and I kept checking the thing. So as I was looking at market here, you see, I take a trade here, right there, right? I shouldn't have taken that trade because I know better. I know that this is not the time that I was waiting for yet. That's not my setups. That's not how I trade. And you can see that, oh, it takes me out. So once it takes me out, what do? I went and checked the thing. I checked, it was here 7.70%, right? I'm at $3,900, right? And I took a loss there for no freaking reason. I know myself. I know how the market run. I know at what time it does the stuff that it does. And I just kept losing myself, like, those little movement, because it was afternoon. We have had a lot of run during PM session, right? A lot of bullish run. So it was going to consolidate anyway. I knew that. But because I was so excited in the morning, I'm telling myself that, no, this is a piece of cake. I'm just going to get it done and that's over. And you can see that, oh, I wrecked myself pretty well in that. You can see that, oh, I kept trading. And I had this level early on here. I think if you look well, yeah, this level, the 41.66 was the level that I wanted, and here is where my entry came in. So as price was trading higher, right, I start shifting bias. I start buying, I start selling. I'm like, okay, maybe they're gonna run it there. Oh no, maybe they're gonna run it down. Then keep doing the same stuff until there is where I was supposed to take the trade. I was looking at the sell side, and at the end of the day, price get to where I wanted. Even here, I took a trade here. It came so close, but I already moved my what is it called? I already moved my SL to profit, so it just took me out. And I'm like, what the fuck? It makes me impulsive. It makes me react to the market, which is just a lesson that it's not my first time learning this kind of lesson, but it is a lesson that I do learn through trading. And sometimes it happens. Sometimes you are so close of making the profit, or you are looking at that level. It's like, okay, this is my target. Price is so close to my target. I needed to get there. It's going to get there. So I'm going to take many trades. And then you start taking more trades than you were expecting. So if you look at the chart here, at my Forex phone data for today, it was May 17th. I got my first trade, which was $800. That was the first trade I ever made, right, today. And I was already up more than close to 1% on the day, which was pretty much, close to 2% on the day, which was pretty much what I needed. If I kept that today, tomorrow I wouldn't have to do that much to just pass the challenge, and I don't have to extend for 14 days in the challenge. The excitement was there. Then you start seeing, okay, loss. Okay, cool. I lose $50. I just made $950 is fine. No, it's not. You should stop trading. You should cut it out. You are done for the day. Just study the market or go do something else. I was sitting at the desk. I was looking at price. I wanted to take more trade. I was becoming overconfident. I was becoming cocky. I was having FOMO. I was afraid that I was gonna miss the trade because I spent last week, this week calling S&P to go to that very level, and it's going there. I am right, so I need to capitalize on the trade as much as possible. And it wrecks me a lot. You can see that those are levels I already have on the chart. Even if you go back and watch the videos I posted last week, Wednesday, I was aiming for S&P to get to that level or above it, right? So when it did that, I'm like, nah, man, I'm so good. I need to, I need to make more money. I should make more money. Give me that verification. I'm gonna pass it, etc. And this kind of thing happened, right? You take $50, okay, no problem. Okay, $2, I put my SL profit. Okay, $12, okay, that's cool. It's not too much. Bang, you're taking $150. It's like, okay, can you stop? It's like, no, I already took $150. Let me get it back. Bang, another $150. Now I'm scared because I'm losing money. I want to make more money, right? My mind is telling me that I can make more money, that I'm right, etc. And then I take like a succession of losses, 5 in a row. Should stop trading there. What is wrong with me, right? I was holding trades that was like $300, and because I was so down in the chart, when it was moving a little bit, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait. Bang, turn back, break even. Turn back, break even. Turn back, break even. I was up $500 on a trade. Turn back, break even. It's like, those are stuff that I'm dealing with myself, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Even though the understanding of the technical analysis is there, the psychology is much serious. It is very impactful to us trader, and even if you get funded, you still have to deal with that. My Forex fund has those so my Forex fund has these statistics that they record from traders, from funded traders, from traders that are taking challenges, etc. And then the statistic kind of like give us an outlook of what happens with my Forex fund, with traders in general. And so they do those things like once every 3 months or so. And then here they give some good statistic, right? On their statistics, they say that, okay, their most popular funded program is the evaluation, which is the one that I'm doing, then the acceleration, then the rapid. I think it makes sense. The rapid, it doesn't give you that much. The accelerated is kind of like pricey, so not everybody are going to pay for it. And the evaluation, That's what everybody afford, and kind of like the return is high. That's what everybody wants. And then conventional, 8% of the people that bought it scaled. So if on 100 people bought it, 8 people scaled in February. And then on the other account, the emphatic, which is the aggressive, you get 15%, so about 15 out of 100 in February. The most popular evaluation size is 10,000, which doesn't cost that much. I think it's like $49 or something. And then the least popular is 200,000. I think that's just because they have the 200,000. So if someone has money and then they're thinking like, okay, why go for 200,000 if I can just go for 300,000? And then, in February, number of people that hit upgrade button is 12%. But that's not my point. My point here is they said that, okay, they have 37,000 active live funded account from evaluation. And then they paid out 14 million in February alone, which is good. You know that people are making good money in the market. The pass rate from phase 1 was 19%. So if 100 people takes it, about 19 people are going to pass it. And then phase 2, 42, which kind of makes sense. Phase 2 is easy. You got more time. The target is not that much, right? Now, the things that I wanted to point out is, okay, they said something here that I wanted to point out. I'm still looking for it. Yeah, but they give us a statistic of people that receive big payout on their first funded account, or on their first live account. These people ended up losing their account, and I guess it's just kind of like that psychological part, because there are so many compartments when it comes to psychology. It's like, okay, being excited can hurt my trading as well as being down or having other issue outside of trading, right? Being excited because of my winners. In fact, so, okay, if you learn anything from this video, just this, if you learn something from this video or from my experience of losing based off my psychology, is that winning can impact your psychology as much as losing does, or having a specific target goal in mind. When you are getting close to that target, you tend to self-sabotage yourself. I just did self-sabotage myself completely, and those kind of have bad impact on your psychology more than just losing in general. Because in general, if I just come in the market with my plan, right, and then I lose my 0.5 or 0.25%, I should be fine. It's like, okay, yeah, that was planned. That was part of the plan. Losses are part of the plan, so it's okay. But when I come in the market, I win, but I'm just this close to reach my target, and I'm starting to take trade, trying to get to that point. I lose it faster. It's like, I'm already there. Like, just let me get there. And then I ended up fucking myself up. So my point with this video is just kind of like a no bullshit guide to what psychology do to traders. I'm not an expert trader yet. I'm not that consistent yet. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. And as much as I'm getting better with technical analysis, with my entries, etc., my psychology is something that I need to work on as well. And I want to share this video to just show you guys that, okay, psychology is important. So if you get the chance, you can read some book on psychology, watch some video on trading psychology that can help you make better decisions to whenever you are trading. For example, meditating can help. Talking to someone that understands what you're doing can help, because, like, for example, when I was up 1% and lost it all today, it impacted my psychology very much. And the person that I am mad, the person that I was blaming was myself, and I was trying to rationalize that to myself until I needed to talk to someone, right? So I ended up talking to someone, like going through my feeling and kind of like breaking that down. It makes it less hard. It makes me go less hard on myself and understand that, I just basically didn't gain anything from today besides losing $60. that I got tomorrow. I got 14-day extension to pass the evaluation anyway. So I shouldn't trip that much. And I know that tomorrow I will get some winner. I should be fine, right? And then by the end, just doing a little bit of meditating, kind of like to let those anger go. And making video like this as well is therapeutic. It help with the psychology. So yeah, so you're gonna watch my video on the challenge. You will know that I haven't completed it yet, but I promise I will get that shit done. Not trying to put any pressure on myself, but just I'll follow my plan as closely as possible to get there. And if you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, be part of the family, subscribe to the Telegram group, and then I will see you guys whenever.